welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today, as you can see, I'm reviewing some hair from Klaiyi. So, this is my first time ordering from them. And, oh, before we get to that, if you haven't liked this and subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. That'll be wonderful. Thank you. Okay, so before I really get into this wig and this color that you just saw, let me just take a look at the little nice treats they got for me. Oh, okay, wig cap. Looks like this is a scarf. And some clips. Always can use that. And lashes. Ooh, those are kind of long, but I appreciate the effort. Okay, so nice thing about this, it says this was disinfected. And y'all, just so you know, I bought this with my own money. Oh, smell, you can just tell that's been chemically treated slightly, not enough to deter you from it though. Y'all, this hair is so pretty. And shout out to YouTuber Klaiyi Hair. She is the one who reviewed this. I saw her review and I had to go ahead and use her discount link to go ahead and get this because, whoa. Okay, I had to get it. Look at this color. And I thought, you know what? I love this color. I used to dye my hair this color. I used to get my hair braided this color. You know what? This is my first time. I went ahead and got a lace front human hair wig. It has 3 combs. You saw the one on each side, one in the back. This is a 13 by 4 Kinky straight unit. As you can see by the little crimps in it, it's slightly pre-plucked. I am not going to pluck it any further, but let's go ahead. This color, y'all. Let's talk about this color. So pretty, so soft. Reminds me of my own hair when I blow dry it out. And this is my braid pattern I'll have underneath the cap. I'm probably going to do something else after this, but I just want to show y'all I have a peanut sized head, so we're going to see how this fits on my hair. You know, most wigs are bigger than my little peanut head, and I may have thin edges, but I have a low hairline, so I can see by the shape of this hairline, yeah, those, you know, as you can see, those are my thin edges right there, but they there. We want to keep them, so I'm going to have to adjust this to fit my hair. I'm really going to have to adjust this. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to have all the specs for this unit in the description box. I'm going to make some adjustments here and, you know, see how it fits. But y'all will have to take a look towards the end to see what I have done and what I come up with. All I got to say is I am proud of myself. As being a wig beginner, I did that. So y'all let me know. Check any links down in the description box and let's just watch, okay? I'll see you in a little bit.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite
So,
things.
what
You could
do
be the
y'all
part
think?
where it all
For me, being a wig beginner, I don't care what y'all say. I did that. I'm so entirely proud of myself. I am so happy. This is something I purchased myself on my own. And I would say I made a wonderful investment. It looks so beautiful against my skin. This hair is soft, it's beautiful, and it mimics my own hair blow dried. I love it. So, check the description box. I may even have a link there, even a discount code. This is unsponsored. So, just check it out. Talk to you later, Roses. Bye.
Get in my way now, don't be shy.